Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, I recommend to perform the soft reset. You need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone. Then open the charging case. Remove your earbuds from the case and check it. In the settings, you can go to the settings, tap at your headphones at the headphones line at the top in the settings, and then check if the battery level are the same. If the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. If you close it, just open the lid. Then, on the front side, we have touch area under the LED light. You need to double press at this touch area 3 times until you will see the red LED light. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we have the red LED light. Then we can reconnect them, or it will open for you, pop up like this one, and you click connect. And you need to wait a bit. Or, did we have connection? Yes. Or you can go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds here on the device list. Firstly, it will ask you to remove them, and then you can connect them. Now, if the factory reset also didn't help you, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, and fully charge your earbuds. After that, check if the battery level are the same. Amazing. If it doesn't, I recommend it to contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.